Hello students, welcome to this exciting new series. But before we dive into our new series, I have a few questions for you. And I'm sure आप लोगों के भी दिमाग में कभी ना कभी ये क्वेश्चंस जरूर आए होंगे। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि बढ़ता हुआ ट्रैफिक, पोल्यूशन, गंदगी ये सिर्फ एक शहर की नहीं बल्कि पूरे दुनिया की प्रॉब्लम बन गई है? न्यूट्रिशियस फूड, एक सीमेंटेड हाउस हम सब का बेसिक राइट है। But even today, thousands of people are going to bed hungry and are living without roofs over their heads. और हाँ, पानी जो हमारी लाइफ का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, वो ही साफ नहीं होगा तो हम हेल्दी कैसे रहेंगे? सोचिए जरा। स्टूडेंट्स, ये प्रॉब्लम्स सिर्फ एक सिटी या एक कंट्री की नहीं है बल्कि पूरे वर्ल्ड की हैं। इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स यानी कि SDGs बनाए हैं। These 17 SDGs will help us in making our life better. Now the question comes, issues तो हमें पता है, तो क्या हम सब मिलकर अपने आसपास की प्रॉब्लम्स को समझ सकते हैं और अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर बना सकते हैं? जी हाँ, कोशिश की जा सकती है। And our new series is Communication for Social Campaign, which is dedicated to these sustainable development goals. In this series, you will design a communication campaign to create social impact by raising awareness about a local problem. यानी कि आपको एक ऐसा डिजिटल डिजाइन बनाना है जिससे आप अपना मैसेज लोगों तक पहुंचा पाएं और आपका डिजिटल डिजाइन एक सोशल इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर पाए। In this video of this series, we will understand the concept of sustainable development goals. We will choose a local problem related to an SDG and understand its potential solutions. तो सबसे पहले समझते हैं सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को। Students, sustainable development is the development that meets today's needs without sacrificing the ability of future generations to meet their needs. जब इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली तरीके से होता है और उस ग्रोथ के फायदे सभी तक बराबर पहुंचते हैं, तब सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट होता है। The United Nations has set 17 SDGs that promote progress in the world while also protecting our planet. Let's explore these SDGs and what they mean for all of us. No poverty. Imagine a world where no one is poor and everyone has the resources they need to live a dignified life. Sounds amazing, right? Zero hunger. What if no one had to sleep hungry and malnutrition became a thing of the past? Good health and well-being. A healthy life for all. Because good health should never be a privilege, but a right. Quality education. Equal education opportunities for everyone, no matter where they come from. Gender equality. Whether you are a girl or a boy, everyone deserves equal rights and opportunities. No exceptions. Clean water and sanitation. Safe drinking water and proper sanitation for every person, because health starts with hygiene. Affordable and clean energy. Imagine a world where clean and renewable energy is accessible to all. That's the future we aim for. Decent work and economic growth. Better jobs and stronger economies so that everyone can live with dignity and security. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Stronger industries, smarter innovations and better infrastructure to make life easier and more efficient. Reduced inequalities, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, because fairness should be for everyone. Sustainable cities and communities. What if every city was safe, green and sustainable for everyone to live in? That's the goal. Responsible consumption and production. Using resources wisely so that we don't run out of them for future generations. Climate action. To fight climate change, we have to act now. We need to take this responsibility or otherwise it will be too late. Life below water. Protecting oceans and marine life because they are the heart of our planet. Life on land. Caring for our forests, animals and nature because a healthy planet means a better future for all. Peace, justice and strong institutions. Building a just, safe and peaceful world with strong laws and institutions that protect everyone. Partnerships for the goals. No country can do it alone. Let's work together to make these goals a reality. To read more about these Sustainable Development Goals, you can visit this webpage and explore all 17 SDGs. Students, हमारे आसपास कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। आपको एक ऐसी लोकल प्रॉब्लम को चूज करना है जिसे सॉल्व करने के लिए आप सोशल कैंपेन चला सको। Make sure the problem impacts a very large number of people. There is a lack of awareness about the problem or its solutions. There is a possibility of support from social leaders and organizations. Now you need to explore all existing solutions. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम बहुत सारे लोग फेस कर रहे हैं तो हाई चांसेस हैं कि कुछ सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रपोज्ड होंगे. From your conversations with the people impacted by the problem or those involved in solving it, or from internet research, what did you find out about the existing or proposed solutions? If any solutions were tried out, how well did they work? Fill this table for a couple of such solutions. जहाँ problems होती हैं, वहाँ solutions भी मिलते हैं. बहुत से solutions propose या try किए जा चुके हैं, लेकिन अक्सर वो incomplete या impractical होते हैं. कुछ solutions तभी काम करते हैं जब लोग अपनी आदतें बदलें. तो अब आपके लिए एक टास्क है. आपको डिसाइड करना है कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सोशल कैंपेन के डिजिटल डिजाइन को क्रिएट करने के लिए आप कौन सा सॉल्यूशन प्रमोट करेंगे या फिर दोनों को साथ लेकर चलेंगे. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.